Okay, so this is the space where I used to have my filming area, and right now, as you guys can see, it's empty. I just brought this rack right here that I had for clothes inside my bedroom, and the rest of the stuff is on this side. I put it over here, and I kind of like how this shelf looks on this side. Like I kind of want to put it like in this little corner and probably hang more plants here on my window. So I kind of am liking that. Actually, you know what, even like filming on this area doesn't look that bad. Like if I wanted to film like from this location, I just need to fit this window thing that I put. So this is for people to not see inside, but I didn't put it properly. Like I just put it like whatever, because at first I was just like, I don't care how it looks, but I don't know. I'm probably gonna try to fix that. So yeah, so now it's all empty over here, and I'm trying to see how I kind of want to fix this wall. I'm thinking that I don't want to put too much in the behind the wall. I kind of want to blank, because I feel like I want a more clean background, if that makes sense. I don't know yet. And then I have this light over here, super up. I feel like it's too high, so I think I'm gonna bring it down maybe to here, and then probably put my desk here, which I actually want to get a different desk. This is my desk right here, and I honestly don't like it. It's just a tabletop from IKEA, and then it just has the legs, and then I haven't put the other two legs, and I know I have a mess over here because I have everything over here. So yeah, I'm gonna move things around and then see how everything comes together. I'm having trouble with these drawers. I don't know where to put them. Like I put one there and then I put the other one over here, but I don't like that. I think it's sticking out too much, and I honestly do not want to put it in the middle like I had it before here. I had it before here with my desk, because I want to get a different desk. And then I also don't want to put it in that wall because they stick out too much. I don't know if I should put this shelf over here and then put those drawers here how they were, because this little corner right here is where I want to put my lighting. So I don't know, bear with me guys. I'm thinking, and I'm just probably gonna move things around and then see how everything looks, because right now I'm just like, I don't know. So until I figure out what I want to do with those drawers, let's move on to over here. And I want to try to put a plant here. I don't know if I'm going to use the fake one that I had or if I'm going to use one of my real plants there, but I kind of want to leave this plant here, but the thing is that I don't know if it's going to get enough light. Because before I used to have it next to an actual window, and I know this plant needs a lot of lighting, but in a way it kind of looks good right there. So let me try putting my fake plant that I have, see if that looks better. Okay, so I have this one. It's fake, so let's see if that one looks better. And that's the one that I usually always have in my background. What do you guys think? I think that one looks better, right? It covers more. See, when I film, you guys will probably see this, which is actually, I think, better, that I have all this white space here. I'm also thinking of putting here or here my hats, like, you know, a couple hats, hang them. Okay guys, so I already got my desk. So I chose like a dark brown because I wanted something to kind of stand out in this area. I feel like the white was maybe too white. I was over the white, so I chose this desk, and it's from Target. I'll link it for you guys. I already put some makeup in here, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then also, this is a chair that I already had, but I spray painted the bottom like a rust gold because it used to be silver and I don't have nothing that is silver, so I spray painted that. And then I also put this cushion here. That's why I put the cushion there. So Bella has a spot where to lay down when filming or working on my desk, whatever. So now I'm just gonna put things here, and I don't know exactly how I want to decorate the desk. I don't want it too clutter. Also, another thing is I am gonna be moving that plant. I'm actually probably gonna buy a real plant. I don't know if I'm gonna have a real plant in this video because I haven't had a chance, but I want to put a real plant, that one, because I want to move it in another corner, and I'll show you guys where I'm gonna move it. And guys, let me know about this light right here. Should I take it off? Like, I feel like it looks kind of weird. It's kind of odd. It's just like a rope, and I don't know if I really like it anymore. In this situation right here, oh, this is where I move my other drawers. I put it here, which is not the cutest spot, but I feel like it just works because I don't have nowhere else to put it. And then I just have this basket, and I'm just gonna clean this up and just have like little stuff here that I just want to hide. And then the other one, I'm putting it in my room because I really don't need both of them here, so I'm just keeping one. So let me show you guys this side. So I end up moving this shelf over here instead of over there. I think it looks nicer in this area. Also, I did put my lighting here before, but I didn't like it because I feel like when you come in, let me show you guys from this angle. When you come in, this is like the first thing you see, and that lighting right there, my filming lighting, it just looked really ugly. So I put it in my bedroom instead because I don't use it every day. Lately I've been taking advantage of daylight, so I'm just gonna bring it out whenever I want to use it, but not really have it set up like before. I used to have my lighting here set up all the time. So this fake plant, I'm actually gonna put it here, and then I'm gonna put another plant here, and I think that's gonna look better. Like this little corner is gonna be more like plants. If you guys could see this shelf, I started decorating with all my plants, and I'm eventually gonna get more. Okay, so let's talk about my desk. I don't know what I want to do with my desk yet. Right now I just put these stuff right here, but honestly I don't know if I like it. I put this vase here, but maybe I should have like an actual real plant here, like a little plant. And then these, I don't know if I'm gonna keep them there because I don't want it to be too cluttered, but at the same time I do want to have some decoration. I don't know, my desk is probably gonna stay here like this for a while until I figure out what I want to do. So I might make another video of me redecorating my desk, who knows. For now it's gonna stay like this. I know everything is decorated and done as much as I'm gonna do for now. So I just wanted to show you. So on this wall, this is mainly how it's gonna stay. Like I mentioned, I am gonna buy a tall real plant. I do want to buy one, but I haven't had time to go before I put this video up. So this is mainly what you guys are gonna see when I film. This is gonna be my backdrop. So on this side, I put my hats there. I just hang this here because I felt like it was too empty. And then I just have this clothes rack, and then I just have some clothes that I feel like it looks nice, like in the background. And then some stuff there, belts, shoes, stuff like that. Over here, I already told you guys I have this. This is from IKEA. It's some drawers, and I have some makeup there. And I just have this little basket. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it there. Over here is my desk, and still don't know what I'm gonna do with my desk, but for now this is how it's gonna look. This desk is from Target, and I'll link it down below for you guys if you guys are interested. I love the drawer because this drawer opens almost all the way. Other desks, sometimes they open like halfway and you can't even put nothing in there, but I really like this drawer on the desk. And then I have that little poof right there for Bella. This chair right here is also from IKEA. I just have some pillows, and then like I mentioned, I spray painted it gold. And then just so you guys can see like in the top how it looks right now. Okay, moving on this side, I have this plant right here. I have it on top of that, which is, I think it's like a picnic basket, because the planter stand is too low and I wanted to look higher. So like when you come in from this side, you can actually see the plant. Eventually I'm gonna get a bigger stand for it, but it doesn't look that bad. I think it looks kind of cute. And it's kind of bright over here because the window is right here. But I also have this hanging plant, which is a string of bananas. I think that's what it's called. Eventually I'm gonna put more plants here hanging, maybe like 2 or 1 more, because I feel like this one looks really lonely. Okay, so now let me show you guys this little corner right here. So this corner is gonna be a little special corner for me. I just wanted to make it really peaceful. Eventually I want to add more, maybe more plants like here, more here, once it's not summer and I don't have to use the AC, because if I put a plant there it will die. So yeah, so I want this corner to just be really relaxing, because this is gonna be like my little corner for meditation. So if I back this, if I go like this far, you guys see I have a lot of space here, and I could put a mat there and do yoga, exercise, and you know, just look over here and see all these beautiful plants and just feel relaxed. I have my little Buddha right there, some crystals. I also put like a little cushion here, and I just face that way and I just started doing meditation. I've been doing that lately, so that's why this little corner is kind of special for me. I hope you guys like this transformation. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, my loves.